Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn Technical. I am your friend Adnan and today we will discuss that how you are able to open multiple desktop on your computer. Multiple desktop is a very grateful tool which Windows 10 have been provided to us. If you are a professional and you have a different kind of a task, for example, you can set one of your desktop for your professional work in which you will set all the applications on your desktop, and after the professional work, if you need to set the desktop for your entertainment, you are able to do it. So this is the session which we are conducting today. In this session we will learn that how we can make multiple desktop and what are the shortcuts key to open the new desktop and how we can switch between the desktop and how we can close the desktop. All the shortcut key also available in description box for your ready reference. So I hope you will like this session, and if you are first time on our channel, so please subscribe it and press the bell notification so you are keep connected with us for the future session. So let's jump on the laptop screen. This is our desktop and there is two ways to create a new desktop as many as you wanted. So first thing is so what you need to click on it, you need to click on Windows plus tab button. Now you can see the shortcut key have appeared and the new desktop is available. One thing which we need to add a new desktop, we need to click on it from my mouse. You can see another desktop have been added in our desktop. If you want to add from a shortcut key, what you need to press is Ctrl plus Window plus D, then it will add another one. Now you can see there is a 3 of the desktop have been available for us. If you want to switch between the desktop, what you need to press it Ctrl plus Window plus arrow key. So you can see we are shifting between the desktops. You can use right arrow key and left arrow key as well to between shifting your in desktop. And when your work have been completed and if you want to close this desktop which you have been opened, what you need to do is you need to click on this cursor and close the extra desktop. So it will normal your screen as well. So I hope that you will like this session and this is a very fruitful session. Now you are able to know that how you can use multiple desktop in your laptops. So if you like this session, so please press the like button. We are very thankful to you and Allah Hafiz.